Welcome back to Sturgetropia. This is Sturge doing a quick DaVinci Resolve 16 video. It seems to be needed. It was also information that was really challenging for me to put together as a whole after reading some of the forums. So I just want to do this. This is how to set up your microphone so that you can just do voiceover recording with a meter on your videos. So that way you don't hear, and you also don't hear the echo while you're speaking. That's really all I want to get to with this video. It's just a few simple things procedurally that you need to do, and then once they're done, you can do this every single time, and you can use this video as a reference, I hope. So let's get started. Okay, all I've done here is grabbed a clip from my library, something I've captured, and I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to bring this into the timeline. Doesn't matter what it is. There's some audio associated with it because obviously that's part of this video. So I'm going to do that, and I have the audio and the video, and those two clips are linked, or that is all linked. Next up, I'm going to go to the Fairlight side of things, and I'm going to, below the audio one, which is the first audio track for my timeline, I'm going to right-click in this space below that. And here I'm going to add another audio track. You can add whatever you want in here. I'm going to add a stereo track for my voice. You can add a mono track. It doesn't really make any difference here. If you're just doing voiceover recording, if you're trying to do something really dynamic, mono versus stereo will be a lot different. Once I've added that, I now see on the right side, this is for recording and then muting, but on the right side over here, you can see audio 2 and has no input. So what I want to do now is click input and change the type of input. And I'm going to patch my microphone to audio 1 and audio 2. So now I can record over the actual audio with my voice onto this particular recording. So let's hear what that sounds like. If I click on this, I get the echo, right? You hear the echo. But now I mute it and there is no echo. You see that right there? But we don't want the echo. We want to get rid of that. It's of no value to us. Unmuted, echo. So I want to be able to not hear the echo. So that's the plan. We're going to try to do this without the echo. So we go up here to Fairlight. We go down to the input type and go auto. Right? We want auto for the input type. And then we're going to come down and click on properties. And down in the Fairlight settings, we're actually going to go track the source. And that's all there is to it. You're now set up to voice record over whatever clip you have with the monitor. So you can see that your voice is actually recording, and you have the monitor going at the same time, but without the echo. See, exactly, without the echo. That's what you're looking for, right? So that's all there is to it. This is now ready to go, and you're ready to record. Hit the record button here, and once you're finished recording, you want to make sure you take off the mute and the record buttons, the two lit red buttons on audio track 2, when you do playback and when you go to upload and export. Because if you don't do that, the audio will be muted. So you don't want either of those clicked when you finally go to export. And then that's all there is to this. Hope you find this useful for those who are using DaVinci Resolve 16 to do voiceover recordings for their videos. Thank you all for watching. Ciao for now.